Word on the street is Jazzwares is losing their license to AEW. A lot of their really great figures for half off. At one of 3,000. Look. Hear me say it a lot. Genius marketing. Genius packaging. Look at this, like a VHS tape. Clean. Let me just make sure, because there's... No, I don't have this one. I love both these girls. Another amazing unboxing. And Jay Briscoe. First saw it, I wanted it, and I actually had it in my cart a couple of times, but I guess I got it for even cheaper, which is really cool. But I just thought this was such a unique, cool figure.